In this video, we will learn how to add a new custom application to the Okta Integration Network app catalog. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin console. Navigate to Applications, then Applications. Click on the application that is being added. Scroll down to SAML Settings and click Edit. Click Next until you get to Feedback section and change it to I'm a software vendor, then click Finish. Click on Submit your app for review and start submission form. Under Does your app exist in the OIN, select No. Put in the app name, add the app website, and give a description of the application you are trying to add. Load an image for the application, fill in the support contact information for the app, and then a test account so Okta can test the integration. Navigate to the OIDC, SCM, SAML tabs, and change it if you have the required information. Depending on your application, copy the URL from application address bar from the Okta admin console and paste it into the section below. And fill out the required information regarding the application. Link a demo video or SAML validation tool if you have one. This is optional. Click Submit for review and verify that you have the correct information in for submission. You will now see the application is pending review. If changes need to be made to your submission, you can click View and Edit Submission. Okta will notify you by email when the submission review is complete. And that is how to add a new custom application to the Okta Integration Network app catalog. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.